Monarch Industries is a destination employer. We have just about every available position that a manufacturing operation can offer. When you start working at Monarch, you're not just starting another job. You're embarking on a lifelong career path.
We've added about 250 jobs at Monarch, and we now have 5 facilities globally, and we produce very highly engineered hydraulic cylinders and custom castings for the OEM market, and we're a pretty significant contributor in that space today, and we're quite proud of that. We have multiple certifications on the quality front, ISO 9001, environmental, ISO 14001, as well as Made Safe Manitoba has recognized our facilities as safe workplaces.
I think what makes Monarch so great is the people. There's a sense of inclusiveness that you get in this company that I haven't experienced anywhere else.
What makes Monarch a great employer? Every time I've wanted to change positions or challenge myself with a new opportunity, Monarch has supported me for 15 years. If you have the dedication and drive to try and learn new things, the company supports you. If you want to do something here, it's not out of the question.
I think Monarch's a really great employer because it gives you more hands-on experience on the machines rather than theoretical concepts. The most important thing here is teamwork. All the senior employees, they are always ready to jump in if you have any concerns.
Well, when I came here, I knew it right away. I could feel it in the environment that it was going to be a good place to work. I just enjoyed coming in every day, and it's been almost 10 years now. I don't see myself going anywhere anytime soon.
We have really good benefits. I like the fact that we have an RSP program, and Monarch has given me quite a bit of money up to date for my retirement, so I definitely like that.
Monarch Industries has provided me a great opportunity to be the person I am today. It's been a great family environment. It's important because my dad used to work here, so I can consider myself a second-generation employee here.
I always look forward to meeting possible new employees of Monarch Industries.